It's lunchtime at Cobbler Mom in Tulsa, and while the chicken's frying, it's the hot cobbler that has everyone talking.
It's homemade, and I mean, she puts her heart and soul into it. It's very good.
Cobbler Mom Joyce Horton is busy in the kitchen. She's been perfecting her recipe for over 30 years.
I nurture it like I nurture my son growing up, and I put a lot of love in it.
Joyce started selling cobbler in jars on cobblermom.com in 2015.
And we have fried chicken, hot fried chicken.
She opened this restaurant just last year.
I got this building and I just made it. People asked me, could I do a little bit of food with the cobblers, and just took off from that.
This is casual comfort food at its finest with what Joyce calls generous grandma-sized portions. The menu is small, but delicious.
On a daily basis, you can find beef tips and cabbage over rice. You can find fried chicken and turkey burgers. And also you can find the beans and the cornbread with the collard greens and the smoked turkey.
And of course, there's the secret recipe cobbler, handmade by Joyce.
Start by rolling it out.
She bakes over 100 servings fresh daily using made in Oklahoma products.
20 minutes in this convection oven, and it comes out looking like that.
Blackberry, cherry, apple, and peach are her staples. Sometimes she has specials like blueberry. Once you pick your fruit, there's the decision of topping it off with ice cream. How do you prefer it, with or without ice cream?
With ice cream.
Which one, by the way, is your favorite?
Cherry.
Cherry.
Cherry's mine, but I always back it up with apple.
Peach is the most popular seller, and if you can't choose just one, Cobbler Mom offers a duo or trio sampler. Joyce says the secret to her cobbler is in the crust.
Well, I think my crust makes my cobbler so special. It's flaky, it's enjoyable, and I just think, like I said, the way I nurture it and the way I bake it, I think it makes it special. It stands out.
She is just an awesome cook, just awesome.
First time.
What did you think?
It is awesome. I mean, there's enough food here for 2 or 3 meals and tastes great. I had the beans and the cornbread and the collard greens and, of course, the peach cobbler.
Cobbler Mom, where everyone loves the food and the mom behind it.
Well, it's almost like, in my mind, people wanting to go to Pawhuska to see the pioneer lady. I mean, she's that much of a draw. And I just think it would be an adventure to come from other parts of our state and just experience what's here.
And when you do, don't forget to save room for dessert.
Or eat dessert first, like some people do.
In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, Discovering Oklahoma.